Hey guys, and welcome back to Mad About Skin. When it comes to choosing a vitamin C for your skincare routine, it can all get a little bit confusing and baffling. There are so many different variants of vitamin C, different strengths, different brands to choose from. I know a lot of people that have just turned their back on vitamin C completely because they couldn't find the right one for their individual skin's needs. Well, in this video, I want to share with you what I think are the very best vitamin C serums of 2023. I've got two recommendations from the drugstore and two more luxury, higher priced options. That means there's a little something for everyone. These are vitamin C's that I just think get it right. They get the packaging right for stability and shelf life. They get the formulation right to add a little bit of an additional benefit beyond just that brightening and collagen boosting that you'll see from vitamin C. And best of all, they get that texture right. These are a joy to apply to the skin. I want to summarize these so hopefully they'll help you on your own vitamin C journey. Sit back, relax, let's talk the best of vitamin C's of 2023. Now, before we get into this video, I would love to know, what's your vitamin C serum of choice? Sound off in the comments section below and let me know. Whilst you're down there, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and a like. I know, it's like a broken record with every content creator saying at the start of every video, don't forget to like and subscribe. But that's because YouTube judges the quality of your content and your worth as a creator by the number of likes you get. Yes, that's not healthy, and I hope at some point it will change. But until it does, we kind of need to play the algorithm game. The more likes a video gets, the more widely YouTube will distribute it on its platform. So, from the bottom of my heart, thank you all so much. Now, without further ado, shall we cut that waffle and delve straight on in? Now, I'm not going to go into too much detail about vitamin C, its benefits, how to apply it, because I covered all of that, and I pulled my vitamin C videos together in a playlist, which I'm going to leave a link to up there. Explore that if you want to make sure that you're using your vitamin C, whichever you choose, correctly, if you want to make sure that you know or you understand the benefits that it could be adding to your skincare routine. I just want to jump straight in with these recommendations because I've got an awful lot to say about each and every one. Let's start with the drugstore. I am drugstore to my core. In fact, I'm just cheap. I hate overpaying for skincare. When the drugstore offers so many great products, it pains me to ever reach for a higher price one. Now, there are two higher priced luxury vitamin C's that I will come on to in a minute that I think offer something a little extra for your hard-earned coin. But if you want to keep it drugstore and, keep that cost down, these are the two products that I'd recommend. Let's kick things off with this. This is the Ordinary Ascorbic Acid 8% plus Alpha Arbutin 2%. Now, the Ordinary has, I think last time I counted, 12 different vitamin C's. Baffling, confusing, completely, it's just too overwhelming if you ask me. I think they should streamline it down a little bit. But if you're feeling a bit confused by the Ordinary vitamin C's, just reach for this one. It is so good. That 8% is like a mid-strength vitamin C. Now, mid-strength means you're going to get less risk of irritation and sensitivity than, say, a 20% vitamin C. But because they combine it with that Alpha Arbutin, which is another potent pigment corrector, you actually get the benefits from this mid-strength that you'd often see or expect from a higher strength alternative. So you get greater benefits, less risk of irritation. This is why it's a ding 10 out of 10 holy grail. The price point of this is so appealing. I think I paid like £9 for it, which is really good, as a little will go a long way as it spreads so beautifully across the face. Now, this isn't in like an airless pump, which is normally what I would recommend for a pure form vitamin C in order to keep it shelf stable for as long as possible. But because the Ordinary creates so many, just such high volumes and quantities of this product, you know that you're getting it relatively fresh when it arrives on your door. You want to be mindful of this because vitamin C's that sit on dusty warehouse shelves will be oxidizing through that process. This always comes clear. I've never had an issue with that, and it usually lasts around 3 to 4 months before you start to see it turn a slightly orangey yellow color, which is a sign that it's oxidizing. You really want to toss it out at that point because you're not going to be getting the same great benefits with an oxidized vitamin C. But because this always arrives clear, you know that you're getting it at peak performance, and yeah, so whilst it doesn't have the ideal perfect packaging, it's definitely worth it when you consider the price point. Also in the drugstore category is this, the Geek and Gorgeous C Glow. I talk about this all the time. Higher concentration than the Ordinary in a 15%, and it's packed full of antioxidants alongside that. So vitamin C in its own right is a potent antioxidant, protecting the skin against free radical damage and premature aging. But why not add some additional antioxidants alongside it? And that's what Geek and Gorgeous have done in this. The antioxidants they've chosen as well also help preserve the stability of the vitamin C, delay that oxidation. So again, just adding to the shelf life of the product. Why this stands out against all of the other drugstore options is the way that they manufacture this. Fresh for you, every single week. So you can guarantee that this hasn't been sat around gathering dust. You place your order, and by the time it's shipped, the longest it's been around and in existence is 1 week. This is a great unique selling point for Geek and Gorgeous, because that way you know you're getting a fresh batch and you're not too worried about that oxidation, which happens pretty much from the point of manufacture. The combination with the antioxidants as well just delays that oxidation, and I would again say about 3 or 4 months before you start to notice the changing colour of this one. Honestly, one bottle lasts me a month and a half, so I've never had any problems with that, which makes both of these products drugstore amazing, and I would say the best vitamin C's if you're looking for something that's mid-strength, ridiculously affordable, and going to deliver you that glow up and that great anti-aging benefit. If you don't mind paying just a little bit more for your vitamin C, then we can come on to talking about some of the luxury options. When it comes to skincare, use what works for you. And I don't just mean your skin type, but also your budget, the ethics, the sort of brands you want to shop with. You need to take all of this into consideration before you purchase the product. So there is no place in the world for demonizing people that prefer more luxury, higher end skincare, but equally, I would never ever say you can't get the same great results at the drugstore. Just match the products you reach for to your individual budget and price point, and that way you're going to have the very best experience. One product that I'll always pay a little bit extra for and never regret doing so is this, the PSA Skin Light Up Mask. This featured in my top 10 holy grails of last year, and it's definitely up there with one of the best vitamin C options. This is actually a mask, so you put this on the skin, leave it on for the recommended 10 minutes, then when you rinse it off, you are glowing to the gods. If you ever wake up and think, my skin just feels a little dull, a little lackluster, I'm not feeling skin confident, slap this on, brush your teeth, rinse it off, and you will be glowing to the gods and feeling your absolute skin best in no time. It works so quickly. It uses an 11% concentration of pure form vitamin C alongside hydrators. It's got some other great antioxidants in here, and because of the pump packaging and the way it's formulated, it's stable. So you can actually have this in your collection for like 6 months and it won't be oxidizing. This is really important because I tend to use this once or twice a week rather than every day, so I don't get through it as quickly as say I would the Ordinary or the Geek and Gorgeous products. This is an absolute treat, and I actually look forward to the days where I can apply this because I know that this is a cheat for a guaranteed good skin day. It's also really hydrating as well, and I don't find it too sensitizing. So if you've been particularly reactive to vitamin C's in the past, maybe try this out because it's on the skin 10 minutes. You're not leaving it on, and that short contact time should lessen any risk of irritation or sensitivity. Now for the bougie, for the luxury lovers, I want to introduce you to this. This is the Allies of Skin Vitamin C 20% Brightening and Firming Serum. They do also do a 30% concentration, which I think is specific to the US market. You never seem to be able to get it here in the UK. Honestly, I'm not bothered about the fact you can't access that higher strength because 20% is the maximum I personally would recommend. 30%, you might get quicker results, but you're going to get a whole lot of additional sensitivity. So I'd cap whatever vitamin C you reach for at a maximum strength of 20%. This, beautiful. It's in a dimethicone base, so it glides onto the skin. It feels so velvety, so luxurious, and that again minimizes the risk of oxidation. So this has a really long shelf life, especially because it's combined with that pump to keep it, keep the oxygen out of the product, maximize its longevity. This is one of the quickest acting vitamin C's I think I've ever discovered. And I know I'm not the only one to think that. Lots of people tried this out when they had like buy one get one free offer. I think it was like November time. Lots of people thought, okay, now's the time to try this, even though it comes with a higher price point, because they can buy one get one free. And everyone said, whilst I hate the price point, I love the results, and it works in as little as 3 days time. So if you're the sort of person that's a bit impatient, you want those quick wins now, this is definitely the vitamin C I would reach for. Like with all the other products, a little does go a long way because it spreads beautifully on the skin, because even though it's a high concentration, because of its formulation, it doesn't trigger a lot of sensitivity and irritation. I find it's well tolerated on most skin types, and it's quite rich and hydrating too. Vitamin C in its pure form can be quite drying on the skin, so if that's something you've experienced, a product formulated like this will definitely help to offset that. Yes, this does come with a ridiculously bougie price point, but it's probably one of the few luxury skincare items I recommend and would actually purchase with my hard-earned coin, because the speed of results you get with this, honestly, unparalleled. When it comes to reaching for a vitamin C, I genuinely believe there's one out there for everyone. You just need to shop around and find the right formulation that's going to match your skin type and, of course, your budget and what you're looking to get out of the product itself. Hopefully with these 4 recommendations, it'll just give you a bit of food for thought. Whether you're drugstore to your core or you're bougie and extra and like some luxury skincare, there's something here for everyone. These 4 products offer things that I think elevate them above the rest of the market. The packaging, the formulations, the additional ingredients used alongside that vitamin C. These are all standouts for me and I think would slot beautifully into your skincare routine. Let me know in the comments section below if these have piqued your interest, if you have any experiences with them. And wherever you are in the world, guys, stay safe, stay well, and love your skin. Take care. Bye.